Slap. To hit with an open hand. Example: she slapped the mosquito on her arm. Pinch. To squeeze something between your fingers. Example: he pinched his little brother's cheek playfully. Punch. To hit with a closed fist. Example: the boxer punched the punching bag. Flick. To hit something lightly with a quick motion of the fingers. Example: she flicked a speck of dust off her shirt. Tickle. To touch someone lightly to make them laugh. Example: the dad tickled his baby's feet, making her giggle. Snap. To make a sharp sound by pressing and releasing fingers. Example: he snapped his fingers to get everyone's attention. Wave. To move your hand back and forth in greeting. Example: she waved goodbye to her friend. Point. To direct a finger at something. Example: he pointed at the map to show the location. Grasp. To hold something tightly. Example: she grasped the rope while climbing the mountain. Squeeze. To press something firmly. Example: he squeezed the orange to make juice. Press. To push something down. Example: she pressed the button to call the elevator. Clasp. To hold something tightly with both hands. Example: the child clasped her mother's hand while crossing the road. Clap. To hit hands together to make a sound. Example: everyone clapped after the performance. WAG. To move a finger side to side to show warning or disapproval. Example: the teacher wagged her finger at the student for talking. Rub. To move hands or fingers back and forth over something. Example: she rubbed her hands together to warm them up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.